Hello students, in this video lecture you will see some useful Linux command and how we can write the code inside Linux terminal using VI editor. You will also see here source code writing in a C language, C++, Python, Java, NodeJS, etc. Okay. This is my Linux terminal, and I will first create a directory. You have to write, if you want to create your own source code, then you have to write with your own credentials in a Linux terminal. I have already logged in a Linux terminal, and first I will make a directory mkdir program. This is my directory, and I will go inside the directory program. Now I will demonstrate you how you can use the VI editor to typing the source code. First I will take the example of C program, then I will use VI. VI is a Vim editor, and after this I will write the program name, suppose prog_c.c. This is the editor name, and this is the program file name, and this is the extension name. Always remember extension name while typing the code. I will enter. This is the editor window open, and if I want to type some letter here, then it will not allow letter. It means VI editor having some shortcut key and command to type the code. For typing, I will press the key I or A. I am pressing I. You will see the insert message here while after pressing I. Now I will type the code. Suppose I want to type a code for hello world dot h main printed and typing hello world. Okay, and I have typed the full code, and I will demonstrate you this is the complete code, and here is a one not error, here is a one warning message you can find, and I will correct after compiling this. Okay. Then after completing this code, I have to exit from editor window. Then first step is press escape button. If you pressed escape button, then insert mode is invisible. Now second step is type press colon is appearing in the place of insert. Now I will type WQ. WQ means write and quit. Okay. If you don't want to exit this window, then just press write W. W is just like a save. It means program has written, just like a save. If you are working in IMS Word and you are pressing the Ctrl S, just like W is here. And if I want to quit without saving, then I will press Q and call not symbol. Then it will exit this window without saving the code. And if I want to save and quit, then I will type here WQ. Okay. Then I have reached here, and if I want to list all the file, then this is the Linux command ls. It means progc file has written. If I want to see the code, then type less prog.c. Okay, this is the source code I have written. Now second step is compilation the code. For compiling C program, you need to type GCC. This is the GNU project compiler, and after that type the source code which you want to compile, prog.c. Okay, just hitting the enter key, you will get one additional file after successfully compilation. A.out. A.out file is a binary file, or you can say also executable file. Okay, you can see the machine language code or executable file code here. A.out. Okay, this is the this is the output code, binary code you can say, or machine code, or executable code. This is the executable code and read by the machine. Okay, then after compilation, successfully compilation of the code, now I want to execute this code. Just type A.out. This is the execution process of the C code, and also this is the execution of the C++ code. You can also execute the C++ code like this. Then you will see here hello world and this. But I have already told you there is a one warning message, but while compilation we did not see any message. Then how you can see the warning message? Then this is the process gcc -wall. Okay, it means this is the command, and w means warning all. Okay, warning all. And I will type the program name here, gcc. Here you will see the warning message, control reaches end of non-void function. It means you have created a non-void function. It means you have created int main. Okay, and the control is not reaches after successfully compilation. Then I have to modify code. Then I will reopen this code again, vi, and I will reopen this and type. Suppose I want to copy this line and paste again, then yank this line, yank is y, pressed y 2 times, then line has been yanked, and here I will type /n. Okay, and also type return. Okay, 0. Instead of 0, you can also type in a capital letter exit underscore success. Okay, now the program will have any warning message or any error. Okay, and I will exit this code and recompile this code, gcc -wall. Okay, yeah. See this compilation, you watch seeing that one warning message, and now after compilation, after correct the code and compilation with warning all, you will not get any error message or warning message. Now I will execute the code. A.out. Then hello world is displayed here. This is the complete process of writing code in a vi editor and working in a vi editor, and compilation process without any warning, and compilation process, general compilation process, and this is there. If I want to create assembly language code using of the high level language code, this program is written in a high level language code, and if I want to create this is the low level language code, then what is the middle level language code? Then we can generate here middle level code by using this command gcc prog_c. After this process, I will get assembly language code of this code. Okay, I will demonstrate you. This is my high level language code original file name, and this is the assembly language code, and this is the low level code, executable code. If I will open this prog_s, here you will get the assembly code of that high level language code. You will get here some instructions code here. You will also see the string or message, and this is a generated in a GCC GNU project compiler, and compiler version is this, and the base operating system is this. Okay, you can also compile. Suppose I want to remove a.out, and I am removing here a.out here. Now you will see only two file name, okay, here, and this time I will compile the code of assembly language S. Then this program is also successfully compiled, and it generates the a.out low level code. It means we can compile the C program as well as assembly program through GCC compiler, and the output is again same out. Okay. So this is the complete compilation. This is the compilation process of the C code, and compilation process of the assembly code, and generation of the assembly code of the high level code. Okay. In next lecture, I will demonstrate you a C++ code. I am clearing the screen here. Now I will type C++ code. prog C pp. Okay, here you can give the extension. This is the vi editor again, and this is the file name again, and this is the extension of the C++ code. Here you can type .cc or cpp, both will work in a Linux operating system. Okay, for C++ code. Okay, and I am typing here C++ code. I am creating a class name is CS. I am creating a class computer science is class name, and here I will display some message using function or member function of the computer science class. Then I will create define access specifier public and create display, and also I will give the definition of this function inside the class, and see out. This is my complete message, and I will terminate class here. And now second step is create an object of the created class. My class name is computer science, and this is my class name computer science, and of this computer science class I have to create one object by which I will call this display function. This is the member function of the class computer science. I did not declare here any data member of the class because I want to just print a message. Okay, and I have created an object cs1 name, and by cs1 I am calling the display function of this class display function, and my main function is a return type is integer, so I have to write again return 0. Okay, and after completing code I will exit this window. and compile the code. There are the two process by which we can compile the C++ program. First is a C++ .c. This will compile the program, and there is a one error in code. I have wrote end. I have to write here endl. Okay, program has been successfully compiled, and I will execute this code by this. Okay, you will get the message written inside the program, welcome in C++ tutorial. If you want to see the code, then you can just type the. Okay, this is the complete code of the C++ program, and here you learn how to write C++ code and how to compile the C++ code. Suppose I want to remove, this is the command to remove the any file name, and a.out. I have removed a.out here, and again previously I have compiled the C++ program using C++. This time I will compile this code using G++ and prog. Okay, through G++ also we can compile the code, and the a.out is again regenerated here, and I will executed this code, and executed message of this code is welcome in C++ tutorial. Then this is the process of writing code in a C++ language. Okay, I am clearing the screen here. I want to demonstrate one thing more. Suppose if we are working in a Turbo C compiler, then we are using conio.h to clear the screen. Here conio.h is not supported in a Linux operating system. Then we can type the code. This is the function system, and the argument is clear. System clear is the function. This clears the screen. This is just like a CL or SCR in a Turbo C compiler. Okay, there is one error message. I have to write a header file for this. Studio.h is a header file of this. This is not getting. Okay, stdlib is a header file for this function. System clear. Okay, I will exit and recompile the code. Okay, program has been compiled, and program is output is this, and the screen is cleared. Okay, so we can use system clear instead of CLR. Now I will type one code in a Python language to demonstrate how we can write the code in Python and compile. Just I will use again VI editor and python 1.py. Always remember the extension, and just I will print one message, print welcome in Python tutorial. And I will exit from here. This is the simple code to display the welcome in Python tutorial message after getting successfully compiled or executed. And for compiling this code, I will just type Python and program file Python 1. Okay. Here program has been compiled or executed, compiled and executed, and you are seeing here the welcome in Python tutorial. So by this process we can also compiled and executed the Python program as well. Now I will demonstrate you how we can write code in JavaScript or Node.js using Linux terminal and executed it. I will type a code vi node1.js. Always remember the extension. This time I am typing JavaScript and I am creating a variable name, declaring variable vir message equal to tutorial, and this is the code. And for getting output in a console I will write console.log and just message each. Okay, this will print along with this variable message. A plus symbol is used to concat the two string, and after completing the code I will exit from here, and for compilation and execution of this I will write node. For this you have if you don't have a compiler of Node.js, then you have to install the compiler in your machine. I have already installed, so I will directly execute this node, and this is the output of this code in a console. Okay, so this is the complete process. Next I will demonstrate you how we can write a code in a Java and compiled and get executed. Suppose I will clear the screen. vi cs.java. I am creating the file name cs and writing code here, class cs void main. And displaying this output in a console or command prompt, system.out.println. Welcome in Java tutorial is my message. After writing this simple code, I will exit from here. This is the code. I will exit, and now I will compile the code Java using Java C and CS is my file name. The program has been successfully compiled without any error. Now I will execute it or run through Java and CS. Then this is the final executed code and final output of the Java code. This is the complete process of the VI editor and code compilation in different languages in a Linux terminal. Okay. In next lecture I will describe another important topic. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for next upcoming lectures.